What does it mean to be patient in difficult times?
In difficulties, you need resilience, not patience. Very closely related, these two terms are. Patience has everything to do with time. There are certain locks in time. Which you can open with patience. So your question actually has two different aspects. If you stack the two together, patience and resilience, then yes, you need patience in difficult times. But actually they are two different things. Imagine if you are a prince and you have everything, and yet you're not happy within because something is missing. You will call it difficult times. The other kind of difficulty is when many aspects of your life are struggling, you can't make the ends meet. Maybe you're sick. Maybe you just don't have the energy. Maybe the workload is too much. These are not difficult times. These are difficulties. Most people find themselves in difficulties because of their own miscalculation about themselves and about what they can achieve. When those miscalculations become difficulties, so they need resilience to figure the equation of their life out and fix those difficulties which they have called upon themselves. For that you need a positive mind and a resilient attitude to life. Patience and time, on the other hand, is a completely different thing. With patience, you can turn the tide of time upon yourself. You can enter into a completely different time upon yourself. So when you find yourself in the grip of time, and for that you have to understand time first. But if you find yourself in the grip of time, then be patient. Because the grip of time actually means that you are in a bubble of time and it is intended for you to present you into a different time. So it's a journey in the ocean of time, and patience is the boat which is carrying you into a different timeline, as they say. Understand this, and I have left a lot of clues in it for the intelligent.